Pour Coca-Cola over an avocado. I'll show you how to create a product that could become your favorite daily remedy. Start with an avocado, which has amazing health benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive medications when you have this miraculous fruit at home. Everyone knows the avocado seed is the most valuable part, containing over 70% of the antioxidants found in the fruit. Remove the seed and don't throw it away. Peel off the skin. It should come off easily if the avocado is very ripe. Cut the seed into smaller pieces. If the fruit is less ripe, the seed will be harder. Place the cut pieces in a diffuser bottle and cover them with Coca-Cola. Let it sit for at least a day. Use it on painful areas and joints. Regular use of this mixture can provide pain relief and improve your daily comfort. Try this simple method and see how natural ingredients can support your health. Put bay leaves in your sock. That's what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful not only in cooking. If you struggle with joint, foot, or knee pain, they work better than those smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this method to deal with pain. Just turn your sock inside out and put a few bay leaves inside. Then, go to bed. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also provide relief for muscle pain, as well as sprains and strains in the joints. How does it work? The temperature in the sock increases due to contact with the skin. The leaves begin to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people still have no idea about it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments. Place a bay leaf on your hands. This is what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful for more than just cooking. If you struggle with joint pain, pain in your hands or shoulders, this remedy works better than smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this to ease their pains. Simply take a glove and put a few bay leaves inside, then go to sleep. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves help relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also soothe muscle pain and help with sprains and strains. How does it work? The glove creates a higher temperature through contact with the skin, causing the leaves to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people are still unaware of it and waste money on ointments. It's worth trying this method before turning to chemical remedies from the pharmacy. Combine a lit candle with VapoRub. The results will surprise you. Take a pan and place some plain white candles in it, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use tongs to remove the wicks from the melted candles and place them on a board. Add 1 tablespoon of VapoRub to the melted wax and stir thoroughly, ensuring the 2 ingredients are well combined. Next, take a small glass container and pour the melted wax with VapoRub into it. Add a few cloves to the mixture. Finally, insert the wick, adjusting it to the right height. Hold it in place with a clip to prevent it from falling in. Once the wax hardens, remove the clip. Your candle is now ready. Light it, and you're done. The candle contains VapoRub, which is known for its antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. This type of candle is great for clearing the airways during a cold. Wrap your feet in aluminum foil. This will help you maintain good health. Colds and runny noses won't be such a threat anymore. During the winter season, this trick will assist you at the first signs of chilling and a cold. All you need is ordinary aluminum foil and VapoRub ointment. This ointment contains menthol, camphor, and essential oils. Apply it to your feet, focusing on your toes and the soles. VapoRub ointment is suitable for adults and children from the age of 5. It is recommended for treating cold symptoms. Its consistency is perfect for body application. The menthol scent is pleasant and brings relief during upper respiratory infections. Apply the ointment to the other foot as well. Take a piece of foil, place the foot on it, and wrap it tightly. You can use another piece of foil to cover the entire foot. Apply the foil to both feet in this way. Aluminum foil will retain heat. Leave the wrapped feet for about an hour. This way, you will quickly alleviate cold symptoms. This trick is especially useful for people who always have cold feet. You don't have to reach for medication right away. Use this wrap for several days. You will surely feel better. Sprinkle lit candles with cinnamon, and your eternal problem will disappear in a minute. Take a pan and put plain white candles in it, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use tongs to remove the wicks from the melted candles and place them in a different container. Next, take a glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Add a few cloves and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir thoroughly. Finally, add the wick, measuring it to the ideal height, and hold it in place with a long toothpick so it doesn't fall inside. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick. The candle is ready. Light it and place it in a room where you spend a lot of time. The candle helps you relax. This natural candle will fill your home with the scent of cinnamon and cloves, helping to get rid of unwanted insects. Pour fabric softener over candles, and the results will surprise you. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. You'll need white candles. Take a pan and place the candles in it. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Using tongs, remove the wicks from the melted candles. Grab a small glass container, pour in the melted wax, and then add fabric softener. Also add a few cloves. Finally, insert the wick into the mixture. Hold it in place with a long toothpick to prevent it from falling in. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick. Light the candle, and you're done. Place it where you spend a lot of time. This natural candle will fill your home with a lovely fragrance and help get rid of unwanted insects. Place candles in fabric softener. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can be transformed into something entirely different. Take a pan and place the candles on it. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Use a fork to remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour the melted wax into it. Then add fabric softener. Sprinkle in a few cloves as well. Finally, add the wick to the mixture. Hold it in place with a clothespin so it doesn't fall in. Once the wax solidifies, remove the clothespin. Sprinkle a few more cloves on top of the candle. Finally, light the candle, and you're done. This natural candle will fill your home with a beautiful fragrance and help you get rid of unwanted mosquitoes.